What's going on, folks? Welcome to the Trade Well podcast, brought to you by Trade Well Management. I am your host, Donovan Marquez, the podcast where we discuss everything trading these financial markets, as well as acting as a personal trading journey and road to profitability. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the show. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing this morning? I hope we are off to a great start today on this beautiful Memorial Day weekend. The markets are moving a little slow, but that's okay and to be expected. And shout out to the troops out there or any retired U.S. troops. This one's for you guys. Salute to y'all. Now, I've been talking to people about my podcast, so on and so forth. And although they say that the episodes are amazing, that they are still in the dark about what day trading actually is, and basically in the dark about what I actually do, despite the YouTube videos. Now, what I want to start doing is I'm going to go ahead and start backpedaling. I know we're only a few episodes in, but hey, I want to go ahead and start backpedaling. That way we can start from the jump. That way I can give you a basic understanding of what day trading is in case you just found my podcast or you've been in the markets for a while. It doesn't even matter. I want to go ahead and just jump in and backpedal so we can start from scratch. So we're going to go ahead and do that today. And today's topic is, what is day trading? All right. So let's go ahead. Let's keep it simple. What is day trading? Basically, it's buying and selling stuff like stocks, currencies, or futures on the same day. Now, that's it. You start the day with no trades, and by the time the market closes, you've closed everything out, and you're not holding on to anything overnight. Let's see. Let's give you an example. Imagine going to the store, right? Buying something in the morning and then selling it before you go to bed. That's it. That's day trading in a nutshell. You're trying to make money from little price changes that happen during the day. Now, day trading is different from investing. Now, remember, where investing is where you buy something and hold on to it for months or years, hoping it goes up, kind of like your 401k or something if you have one. But in day trading, you're not waiting for long-term growth. You're trying to catch small, quick profits as price goes up and down. Now, let's go ahead and jump into how it works. So how does day trading actually work? All right, guys. A typical day trader like myself starts by, checking out the market before it opens. Even me, I'm just looking at charts, reading the news, trying to figure out what's going to move, what's going to be moving that day. For instance, I trade the S&P 500. So I kind of just look at a few different stocks and figure out what's going to be going on for the day so that when the market opens, I'm ready to jump in. So, all right, let's say that you spot a stock, right? Starting to move up. Let's say you buy some of those shares and you hold on to them for a few minutes or hours as price goes up, and then sell them before the market closes. Boom, your trade is done, and hopefully you made a profit. But day traders focus on stuff that moves a lot during the day, like stocks with big news or currencies that are really, really active. We also need things to be easy to buy and sell quickly, which is why we trade what's called liquid assets, which basically means that there's always buyers and sellers available to take the other side of our position. Now, why would anyone choose day trading? What is the appeal there? So first off, guys, is of course what we're all chasing away from our 9-to-5 is the freedom. Just let's be honest, it's the freedom. You're in charge of your own schedule. You don't have to answer to anyone. Plus, you can do it from anywhere as long as you have a computer and internet. It's also super fast paced. So let's say you're someone who likes excitement and making quick decisions. Day trading may be pretty good for you. Another big reason is that you can make money fast. If you're good at it, though, let's emphasize, if you're good at it, you can easily see daily profits rather than waiting months for investments to pay off. But it's important to mention, guys, hold your horses, don't get too excited. It is important to mention that while potential profits are there, the risks are high as well. You can lose money just as fast as you make it. So let's put some red tape on there and say, hey, you can lose just as fast as you win, because day trading isn't easy. Let's be honest. It can be stressful, and you have to be okay with the idea that not every day is going to be a win. That's why learning and practicing before you jump in with real money is key. All right, so let's keep that in mind. Now, you're probably asking yourself, hey, this sounds pretty cool. How do I start? Well, let me go ahead and break it down. First, you'll need to learn the ropes. There are tons of free resources out there, guys. Books, videos, courses that can teach you the basics of day trading. But nothing beats actually practicing. You can start with a demo account, which is like playing with fake money, so you can sort of get the feel for it. I started there. You watch price just move up and down, so you can kind of go ahead and see what your daily ins and outs would look like. And you'll also need some starting cash. So the amount depends on what you want to trade. So for example, if you're here in the US where I reside and want to trade stocks, you'll need at least 25K in your account because of some trading rules. But if you're trading currencies or futures, you might need less. And I know you can start off with a lot less when it comes to currencies and futures. Lastly, you'll need the right tools. You'll need a good trading platform with fast internet and a broker that won't charge you an arm and a leg in fees, since you'll be making a lot of trades, because even small fees can add up quickly, guys. So keep that in mind. Now, let's see, is day trading right for you? So let's go ahead. Let's figure it out. Day trading isn't for everyone. Let's just be honest. That's cards on the table. Day trading isn't for everyone. You need to be able to make quick decisions without second guessing yourself. You also need to be okay with losing sometimes, because that is part of the game. There are always going to be some losing days, and you have to be okay with that. But on the flip, if you love the idea of working for yourself, and let's say you enjoy solving problems quickly and you don't mind a little risk, day trading may be a good fit. But now, if you're someone who doesn't like a lot of stress and you're pretty risk adverse, you may prefer the slower approach, like investing, or maybe even swing trading. But then again, long-term investing may be a better option for you, and we'll go over those later on. Also, keep in mind, guys, that trading takes time. This is the biggest one everyone struggles with. Trading takes time. You'll need to put in the hours. And, you need to put in the hours to watch the market and actually trade. It's not something you can just do 5 minutes a day. I know you see that on YouTube and everywhere else that, I trade 2 seconds a day and that's how I make my rent. Like, come on, guys, that's unrealistic. So let's go ahead and just lay it all out there for y'all on day one. So what's next, right? If you're interested in day trading, I recommend just starting with research. Watch videos, read some books, and maybe even try a demo account to see how it feels without risking any real money. That's super important, guys. Now, when I say watch videos, I don't mean the make money in 12 seconds video. I mean, watch videos that actually break down what's going on, like the ones in my YouTube channel. Not to shield my own YouTube or anything, but I just show y'all a day trading journey from scratch, so y'all can kind of see what the ins and outs look like. Now, in my next episode, I'll go over the different trading styles a little more in depth and help you figure out if day trading is right for you, or if something like swing trading or long-term investing makes more sense. But as always, guys, if you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with anyone else who you may think is curious about day trading. Also, follow me on all my social medias. I got the links in the description below. But as always, guys, thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you on the next episode. That's all we have for you today, folks. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you were able to gather some information and value from this episode to apply into your own trading journey. Don't forget to give us a rating and review anywhere that this podcast is hosted. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Trade Well Management, at Trade Wealth Management, where we upload our daily trade videos and a full time lapse, unedited raw time lapse of our daily trades, so y'all can see what real day trading looks like. Thank you for tuning in. I hope y'all have an awesome day.